Namaste everyone. This video is about World War II. It is also known as Total War because almost every country was involved in some way or the other. The instability created by the First World War was the biggest cause of World War II. World War I ended with the defeat of Germany and its allies, and the Treaty of Versailles was signed, which blamed Germany for the war. Harsh terms imposed by the Treaty of Versailles fueled the rise to power of Adolf Hitler. Rise of militarism in Italy and Japan also contributed to World War II. Hitler had already invaded Austria and Czechoslovakia in 1938. In August 1939, Germany and Soviet Union signed German-Soviet Non-Aggression Pact, and on September 1, 1939, Germany attacked Poland. Britain and France responded by declaring war on Germany because they had pledged to defend Poland. 16 days after the German invasion, Soviet Union also attacked Poland from east. On September 27, 1939, Poland surrendered. Germany and Soviet Union divided it between them. After that, Germany invaded Denmark and Norway, and then headed towards Western Europe and conquered Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg, and northern France. On June 10, 1940, Italy entered and declared war against France and Britain. Germany used its air force to attack Britain. This campaign of German air force is known as Battle of Britain. Eventually, the battle ends with the defeat of Germany. On September 22nd, Japan, Italy, and Germany signed the Tripartite Pact, forming the Axis powers. Countries opposing the Axis powers were called the Allied powers. In November 1940, Romania, Hungary, Slovakia, and Bulgaria joined the Axis. Yugoslavia was also conquered by Germany. Italy attacked Greece but failed to conquer it, so Germany helped Italy to conquer Greece. On June 22, 1941, Germany attacked Soviet Union under the operation called Operation Barbarossa, and Soviet Union joined the Allies. In Asia, Japan attacked the US naval base at Pearl Harbor to gain control over Pacific. In response to this, US entered the war on the Allied side. The Allies started wiping out Italians and Germans in North Africa, while in the east, Soviets counterattacked and started pushing back German soldiers. The Allies gained control over Africa and invade Italy. The Italian government falls. On June 6, 1944, Allies landed in Normandy to liberate France. Soviet forces expelled out Germany to regain their land. On April 30th, Hitler committed suicide, and 8 days later, Germany surrendered. On August 6 and 9 in 1945, US drops 2 bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki respectively. And on August 15, 1945, Japan surrendered.